Ecoprogetti is Europe's leading one-stop shop for photovoltaic panel production machinery. By integrating cutting-edge technologies, it delivers future-proof production lines that keep clients at the forefront of the evolving photovoltaic industry. Ecoprogetti's fully automatic production line is designed for large-scale manufacturing with a capacity of 200 panels per hour and module outputs up to 750 watts with just 7 operators. Engineered for versatility, it accommodates various module types including glass backsheet and glass designs and supports advanced technologies like TOPCon, heterojunction, back contact, PERC, bifacial and more. It handles solar cells up to 230mm in full, half and third cut configurations, as well as rectangular cells in M10 to G12 formats. The production line integrates advanced equipment such as high-speed stringers, electric laminators, automatic bussing systems, J-box application stations, electroluminescence testers, and LED-based sun simulators. Recently, AI-based quality inspections and magnetic field controls have been implemented. All machines are designed and assembled in Italy, certified with CE and UL marks as per installation location. Ecoprogetti is trusted by leading solar players for its custom projects, comprehensive training, and reliable global service support.